Without color, our cars don't work.
I'm calling the police monster truck!
Oh, please help us.
We must catch the color thief!
There he is, and he's stealing more colors. He turned the traffic light gray. Now there's a traffic jam. We'll never get past. Yay! Now we can drive over the cars. Watch out for the nails! That sign is blocking the road. We'll have to jump over it. We trapped Mr. Lemon. He stole the police truck's color. That car garage can help us. I choose pink. Hit one's blue. Mr. Pumpkin likes black. Wow, it looks better than Not this time, Mr. Lemon. Now we have your color.
I'm sorry. I won't do it again.
We forgive you.
Oh, thank you.
We have to put all the colors back. See, it's more fun being nice. Me and Pit are watching videos on our phone. But we're not really paying attention. We don't even see the cars coming.
Hey!
We could have been hurt. We need to pay attention when crossing the road.
Stop.
When the light is red, we stop. And when the light turns green, we can...
Go. Stop. Go.
Now we understand. We'll put our phones away.
Stop!
And wait for the green light.
Come on, let's go.
We did it! We're going on a bus ride today. Look, here it is now. Kid, don't cut in line.
Oh, Pit, you should stay in line.
We have to wait our turn. Let's find our seats. Pit wants to play tag. I'm gonna catch him. Ow! Maybe we should stay in our seats.
Kids, don't run in a bus. It's not safe.
We're sorry, Miss Tomato. Hit, move for the man with the crutches.
Thank you, young man.
Well done, Pit. Pit!
Whoops! I'm sorry!
Now Mrs. Lettuce can sit down. I'm bored. I know. I'll watch some videos. Oh no! The noise woke up Mrs. Lettuce.
Petty, it's too loud. You'll disturb other passengers.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'll use my headphones. Now I won't disturb anyone else. What is that passenger up to? He's stealing her purse.
He's a thief!
Hit is a hero.
Thank you, young man.
Well done, son.
I need to get these ducklings across the road. Hit is stopping the cars. Mr. Lemon is up to something. Hit, we did it! The ducklings are safe! Mission complete! Mr. Lemon stole our car!
We need to catch him!
I know what to do! We need backup! Officer Pumpkin will help us!
Hey!
Let's go catch Mr. Lemon! You can't hide from us! Watch out, Officer Pumpkin! Oh. need to drive very carefully. Phew, we made it, but...
Oh no! He's getting away!
Mr. Lemon can't drive across the lake, so he'll float across instead. Our monster truck can't float.
Oh no! We can't jump over it!
But Officer Pumpkin knows what to do. Pit, don't play with the buttons.
Please press this button.
Now we're tall enough to drive across. Hit has a plan. We'll pump the raft with a thumbtack.
I surrender. Well done, kids.
Mr. Lemon sunk our car. Ooh, we get our own monster truck. Thank you, Officer Pumpkin. It's a special day at school today. Miss Apple has a guest for us to meet.
Children, this is an officer. Today, he will teach you safety rules.
It's a real policeman.
This stranger in the picture wants to break into your house.
Oh. Hey, that's Mr. Lemon. What's he doing outside our house? Hit and I are home alone. Someone's at the door. Should we answer it? What if it's a monster?
Hey kids, I have a bunch of lollipops for you.
Stop it! It's a trick! Don't open the door! You let Mr. Lemon in! I'm going to hide!
Don't trust strangers who want to give you something. What should you do?
Lime thinks he knows.
We should talk to a stranger through the door.
Officer Pumpkin doesn't like that idea.
We should open the door and attack him.
No, Pear, that's an awful idea. I know. We need to call the police. How will Pit get away? That won't stop him for long, Pit.
Call 911 immediately if an intruder breaks into your house.
I need to call 911 for help.
Oh, is someone trying to break into your house? I'll be right there.
Maybe Pit should hide under the bed. Those lights mean the police are here. Not so fast, Mr. Lemon! You're going to jail!
Don't open the door to strangers. You need to call the police immediately.
We will, Officer Pumpkin!
Thank you, officer. Now we know how to deal with intruders.
Mr. Lemon is back! We better call the police! Phew, it's only Mommy.
Oh.
Now we have nothing to be worried about. Pit is washing his car. Now it looks so clean and shiny. I got some mud on your car, Pit. I think being dirty makes Pit's car angry. Pit's much happier now. Pit wants to clean my car. I like my car just the way it is. What's wrong with being messy? Time to go for a drive. Come on, pink car. Pink car's being silly. I want to drive. Help me, Pit. I'm stuck. Hurry, Pit. Save me. Pit, help me. Not the mailbox! Not the flowers! Not the fence! Maybe Pit can help Mr. Potato! Watch out for the puddle, Perry! I'm sorry! Maybe Pit can help! That's much better! Now Pit can come save me! I think Pit needs help! Blue car, use your wings! Please help me! Am I finally safe? Thank you, Pit. But why is Pink Car still sad? What's wrong, Pink Car?
Annie treated me really badly.
I did?
Treat your car like your best friend, Penny.
I'll treat all my things better. Pink Car, you look happier already. Hooray! It's cold and raining outside. Toy Car is all alone. Don't worry, it's only Baby. She wants to play with you. First, Toy Car needs to be cleaned up. knows what to do. That's much better. Toy car got hurt. What are you gonna do, baby? A bandage won't fix the dented hood.
I want to play too!
Hit, you're much too big. Look, Toy Car has no more energy. Toy cars don't drink milk, baby.
This is for little babies!
Pit thinks chips are a better idea. But toy cars can't run on chips. Daddy, can you make Toy Car better?
Each toy needs proper care.
Toy Car uses electricity for energy. Just plug him in. Now he's ready to play. But his hood needs to be fixed. A plunger will do the trick. Toy Car is as good as new. Time for baby to take a ride.